Okay guys, so today my brother asked me why do we use this particular statement in Python? What is the use of it? Okay, so let's understand it today. So to understand it, first we'll have to understand the two files that I have created. So one file is called file a.py. So in this file I have created a function to calculate the product of two numbers, right? This is the function, right? And then I'm calling this function with the parameters 5 and 10, and then I'm printing the product, right? This is called file a.py. Now let's understand another file which is called file b.py. So in this file I have written another function to calculate the sum of two numbers, and then I am calling this function with parameters 3 and 2, and then I am printing the sum. Note that I am also importing file a in file b, right? This file a, that means the file which is here, I am importing in file b. So now if I'll be calling file b, if I'll be executing file b, what do you think, what output will come? Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this has printed the statement which is there in this file, but it has also printed the statement which is not here in this file, which means the statement, this statement, the product statement is coming from the file a. And why this is happening? The reason this is happening because we have imported file A in file B. So what has happened? It has executed all the lines of code which was there in file A. Okay, and that's why we are seeing the product statement as well. Now, how can you avoid this thing from happening? So the way to avoid this is to put the piece of code that you do not want to be executed while importing inside this thing. So put this piece of code inside this particular if clause, and then these lines will not be executed when you will import file A in any other file. Now just save it and then again execute file B. And this time you will see that we have only got some statement but not the product. I hope that you would have understood what is the use of it. So the use of it is to ensure that the lines that are coming below the if statement are executed only when this file is being called directly. Okay, directly means when we are suppose calling it directly from the terminal, then those lines should be executed and should not be executed when we are importing this file in anywhere else. I hope the things are clear to you now.